Alright, let's take a trip back to 2010. The iPhone 4 had just launched, Steve Jobs was still leading Apple, and if you had invested $1,000 in Apple stock, you might be sitting on a serious fortune today. In 2010, Apple stock was trading at around $7.50 per share, and yes, that's adjusted for stock splits. Back then, Apple was already a tech giant, but nobody could have predicted just how massive it would become. But what if you had bought in and held strong through all the ups and downs, through every iPhone release, every market crash, and every crazy innovation? Here's where things get wild. Since 2010, Apple has split its stock twice, a 7-for-1 split in 2014 and a 4-for-1 split in 2020. That means your original shares would have multiplied big time. If you bought $1,000 worth of Apple stock in 2010, you would have gotten about 133 shares at $7.50 each. After stock splits, that would have turned into a whopping 3,724 shares. At the time of recording this video, Apple is trading at $245.55 per share. Times 3,724 shares, that will give you $914,428. Apple has transformed from a computer company into a tech powerhouse leading in AI, wearables, and even augmented reality. So the big question is Apple still a good investment today? Would you have held on to your Apple stock all these years, or would you have sold early? Let's talk about it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing insights.